In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send Bitcoin using the Coinbase app, step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. This video is perfect if you're brand new to crypto, or if you just want to make sure you're sending Bitcoin the correct way without making any costly mistakes. Before we jump in, I want to quickly say this is not financial advice, and I'm not responsible for any lost funds. Always double-check wallet addresses, networks, and amounts before confirming any crypto transaction. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step crypto tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Coinbase app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't already own Bitcoin, you'll need to buy some before you can send it. From the home screen, tap on the Trading or Spot section. Here you'll see different trading pairs available. Take a moment to choose the correct pair. In this example, I'm choosing BTC USDT, but depending on your account, you might see BTC USD or another pair. Once you're on the trading screen, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. Carefully review the price, fees, and total amount you'll be paying. Don't rush this step. When everything looks correct, go ahead and confirm the purchase. After the transaction is completed, the Bitcoin will be added to your portfolio. Now that you have Bitcoin, it's time to send it. Go back to your portfolio and find your Bitcoin balance. Tap on Bitcoin and then select the Send or Withdraw option. This is where the sending process begins. Next, Coinbase will ask where you want to send your Bitcoin. You can send it to another wallet address, an email, or an invoice depending on your needs. In my case, I'm sending Bitcoin to my Coinbase wallet, so I'll be using an on-chain transfer with a wallet address. Carefully paste the Bitcoin wallet address into the address field. This step is extremely important because crypto transactions cannot be reversed. Always double-check the address to make sure it's 100% correct. After entering the address, you'll need to choose the network. Make sure you select the Bitcoin network. Sending Bitcoin on the wrong network can result in permanently lost funds. Once the correct network is selected, follow the on-screen prompts to continue. This may include reviewing the transaction details, confirming the amount, and completing a security check, like entering a code or using biometric verification. Take one final moment to review everything, including the recipient address, the amount of Bitcoin you're sending, and the network. When you're confident everything is correct, confirm the transaction. And that's it. Your Bitcoin has now been sent. You can track the transaction status directly inside the Coinbase app, and depending on network congestion, it may take some time for the transaction to fully confirm. If this video helped you understand how to send Bitcoin using the Coinbase app, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more beginner-friendly crypto guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.